Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Oh, and those headlights don't flicker to the human eyes. That's just the refresh rate of my camera bringing that disco party to us. And there is that supercharged engine. That thing will straight up get up and move. And it is running smooth and clean, so go ahead and drop the hood and take you for a tour. The carbon fiber hood insert. Absolutely gorgeous. I will also add some still shots. I'll have the spoilers and skirtings up close. These alloy wheels. Trunk. Back up so you can see that spoiler. Let's have LED trim lights. Those Recaro racing seats, super comfortable. Looking up there, there's also a charger here for the back seat. Does have Bose sound. Your driver presets. With all this suede. This is a super comfortable car. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn the stereo down so you can hear me better. Turn the fan down. Okay. As you come over here, you're gonna see that it only has 10,981 miles on this vehicle. It does have paddle shifters. And then you're gonna have your push to talk and your trip computer. Obviously it does tell you speed limits as you go through them. And your cruise control, heated steering wheel. As you come down here, there's your push button start. And then your front seats have both cooled and heated options. Here are the rest of your comfort controls. There's your key fob, your shifter. And this will change your modes as I'll come up here. Between touring, sport, track, snow and ice. So then also you have your park brake right here, cup holders, you have an additional power supply, and then there's your elbow rest, and it also has 2 additional power supplies and an auxiliary there as well. Glove compartment, and up here of course you have your map reading lights. All right, so with that, go ahead and take you through some of the stereo features. As you see, it does have navigation. And for audio, it does have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you can also do some of your comfort controls up here as well. Calling, same thing. All right, and then through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can do some other apps as well. So, you also have stereo controls here on the steering wheel as well. That about wraps it up for the interior. So while I'm in here, let's go ahead and let you take a listen. Particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact that affected this rear driver quarter panel around to the passenger front quarter panel. There's also some damage on the roof. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage. So we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.